liquid who kills it is water. And the thing is, when you imagine you laminate something from polyester, the sterol comes up. There's only 3 players in Europe, all together 600 tons, so forget it. For the big player, they say, no, it's too risky, we don't want to touch it. That's it. Closed cell, the epoxy drains through the whole material, and that is, under pressure, what happens to the balsa. Because of course the balsa,
Now it this is not heavy, so we can. What do you think? You try to fix it for the steer and that. Yeah.
From there? Or from here?
Yeah, straight.
Yung po sa sleeve ito?
Bravo!